And they're off. From the inside, Twilight Eclipse and Imagining. And on the outside, there's Real Solution and Medal Count. As they come by the stands for the first time, it's Imagining with a narrow lead over Real Solution. Medal Count races in third, and Twilight Eclipse is next in fourth. Main Sequence fifth in the early going, with Big Blue Kitten in sixth, and Hangover Kid, the long shot, is the trailer in seventh. They're moving for the clubhouse turn, and it's Imagining, the leader here, Imagining over Real Solution and a Medal Count. Twilight Eclipse saving ground down on the inside in fourth. Then comes Main Sequence in fifth, followed by Big Blue Kitten, and Hangover Kid remains the trailer. Imagining leading here by 3/4 of a length over Real Solution. The quarter went in 26 and 2, the half mile in 50 and 4. Imagining leads the field on to the backstretch and is in front by almost a length. Real Solution second by a length. Twilight Eclipse down at the rail. Medal Count on the outside. Those two right together, third and fourth. Main Sequence is fifth, about 5 lengths from pace-setting Imagining. That is Big Blue Kitten in sixth, and Hangover Kid at the back. 3/4 in 1:15 and 2. They continue up the long Belmont backstretch, and Imagining is holding on to the lead here, with Real Solution continuing to track in second. Medal Count on the outside, and then Twilight Eclipse now getting a bit closer. Main Sequence is still in fifth, about 4.5 from the front. Then Big Blue Kitten and Hangover Kid, and they're racing around the far turn. Imagining has been in front right from the start. Real Solution has chased the entire way. Main Sequence is beginning to pick it up and is splitting horses and is coming on into third now. Twilight Eclipse down at the rail. Then Medal Count, Big Blue Kitten, and Hangover Kid, and the field is at the top of the stretch. Imagining, Real Solution. Here's Main Sequence on the outside, and Twilight Eclipse looking for racing room down towards the rail. Imagining, Twilight Eclipse now coming on through, and Main Sequence is there. Big Blue Kitten on the far outside. It's Main Sequence and Twilight Eclipse. Those two down to the wire in a thrilling finish that goes to Main Sequence. He's won 3 straight Grade 1 stakes since coming to the U.S., and he's done them all in photo finishes. Main Sequence defeats Twilight Eclipse.